Hello children, how are you? Yes, we enjoyed last lessons now. Yes, now here one more very interesting one about you only. Yes, you are free or busy? Yes, you are always busy, right? Now we are also learning about busy. What is this busy? Let's get busy. Let's become very busy. Already you are busy. So more busy, how can you become? What we are doing the work? Who are very busy, that we can see in this poem. Let's get busy, right children? So now see this one, busy bee, you know that? Yes, bee, honey bee, like the bees we have. So always they are busy, some work they are doing, right? So see this. So have you ever seen a busy bee? Yes, those bees, if you see, always they are very busy. How do you like to spend your time? Yes, how do you like to spend your time? In summer vacation or else whenever you get holidays, how do you like to spend? Yes, you are also very busy, morning to night, playing games and playing with your mommy and chatting, everything you are doing, right? Watching TV, right? Yes. Do you want to be as busy as a bee, or would like to take a nap whenever you are free? Yes, what do you like? So do you want to be as busy as bee? You also want to busy like that, or would like to take a nap? Nap means sleep. Whenever you are free. Suppose if you get free time, immediately you are ready to sleep, or else you are busy with, like bee. How do you like it? Yes, see, who are busy here, we can say in this poem, that's let's get busy. But if I get a chance means, I never sleep, always I am as busy as bee only, right? Yes. So the baker's busy baking bread, the farmer's busy growing, the fisherman is catching fish and rowing, rowing, rowing. Yes, everyone is rowing, rowing, rowing. Yes. So the baker's busy baking bread, baker's bakery man. Yes, he is busy in baking bread. Yes, we go to shop and immediately we order for bread, pizza and everything. Yes, they are very busy in making that, right? Yes, the baker's busy baking bread. And see the pictures also there, you can understand how they are very busy. Here you see. So the baker's busy baking bread, the farmer's busy growing. Yes, if you go to the fields, farmers, they are very busy in growing the crops, right? And the fisherman is catching fish. Yes, fisherman is also always is busy in catching the fish only. And rowing, rowing, rowing. So in the boat we are going, sailing, right? And the cow is giving milk. Yes, the cow is also busy in giving the milk. For butter, too, and cheese. The ice cream man is busiest man. So many kinds of freeze. So the cow is busy giving milk. Yes, we take the milk from the cows now. So like that it is busy. But from the milk what do we get? For butter and cheese. Yes, very yummy. And ice cream man, yes, if you see the ice cream man, how is he? Yes, he is also very busy. Why? Because he should freeze all the ice creams now. If he keeps it outside, then immediately it melt, right? Ice cream, do we eat or do we drink? Yes, we eat only, not drink. So to eat means that he should freeze all the ice creams, right? So the ice cream man is busiest. So many kinds of freeze. So all kinds of ice creams to freeze it. He was busy in that. And mother's busy cooking. And mother's busy cooking. So we know what we will do. We will set the table all ourselves. That's being busy too. Yes, and mother's busy cooking. Yes, mommy, you see, always she is busy in cooking something, right? Whatever we want, morning breakfast, snacks, lunch and snacks, dinner. So many she is preparing. Every time she is in the kitchen, right? So she is busy like that. And so we know what we will do. Yes, what shall we do? What? And we will set the table of ours, all ourselves. Yes, let's set the table. So then we can play with that. That's being busy too. Then we can make it busy. There everything is ready and pretty now and neat and all the busyness is done. So let's sit down and eat. So then arrange the table. So then what happened? So there everything is ready. What mommy prepares that we can eat. So total table is ready. And pretty now. So it's a very attractive. Pretty means looking very beautiful, attractive. And neat. And all the busyness is done. So all the busy work is done. And so let's sit and eat. Let's sit down and eat. So now all of us sit and we can eat, right? So now I am repeating the poem. All of you recite the poem once. The baker's busy baking bread. The farmer's busy growing. The fisherman is catching fish and rowing, rowing, rowing. The cow is busy giving milk for butter, too, and cheese. The ice cream man is busiest, so many kinds of freeze. And mother's busy cooking, so we know what we will do. We will set the table all ourselves. That's being busy too. There, everything is ready and pretty now and neat and all the busyness is done. So let's sit down and eat. Right? So enjoy this poem. So how you want to be, you also help your mothers and you also become somewhat busy in work. Right? Yes, let's do the question answers from this.